Welcome all. Okay, today we are going to create a twisted ring. We first create the ring rail. Go circle, then come to front view, then press 0, enter. Then we want to type diameter of our ring rail. I type 17 millimeter ring rail. Okay. Now we have to our ring rail. Now we can find to this ring rail length. Okay, then select this ring rail first. After that you go to command prompt, then type here length and type this. After that you enter. Now we have to this length. Now we want to copy this length. So on copy. After we want to create line, go to line tool and click here. Now you go to command prompt, then paste our length. Okay, paste already. Now we have our length. Then paste here, click. Okay, now our line have. Okay, we can hide this ring rail now. After that we want to align this curve. This one align tool, go to align center. Yes, 0, enter. Okay. Now we want to create this one rectangle tool, center rectangle. This one want to go on around rounded. Press 0 and press enter. Then you come to right view like this. Press, you can round corner. Okay. Now we have to line and we have to this rectangle. Now we have these two. Now we want to do one rail sweep. We'll go to this icon, click here, sweep one rail. Click this one, then you select rail. You select cross section. Enter. Enter again. It's on. Okay. Now have one side. This one now you want to mirror to other side. Let's go to this tool. Yes, here click. Now press 0, enter. Then you can to mirror this one. Okay. Now we have to do. We want to this one and this one join. Okay. Now join already. Now we can twist to this one. Go to select this one. Go to this tool. This one. Twist. Click this one. And you first select this surface. After you can click this end and you can select other end. Okay, you now come to right view, then this line up, then click. You can now twist. Okay, I twist already one round. Okay, click here. Okay, now we have twisted. Okay, this one. we going to unhide my ring rail. Go to this second, right click. Okay, now I have my ring rail. Now I want to find this ring rail endpoint. How do I find this one? Select first this ring rail, then you go to this tool. Go this one. Adjust close curve shape. Click this one. Now this one have here my endpoint. Now we want to move this endpoint to down. This one click here, drag to endpoint. This one quadrant. Okay, yeah, click again. Now okay, now my endpoint here. Now we want to flow along curve. This surface want to go this ring. You can go this to this one. Flow along curve. Click this one. Select object. That select base curve. Base curve is this one. Okay. After that, select target curve. This curve. Okay. Now hide this one. Okay. Now tested already. Okay. Okay, thank you. Today video finish this one. You can subscribe my channel and you can like and you can comment anything. Okay, thank you.